Happy 18th birthday, CK Lumano. Sorry na late, medyo busy lang. Happy birthday from Ninong Paolo. Happy birthday, CK Lumano. From Ninong Paolo. Hope we can meet soon. Stay healthy and God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, CK! Wishing you all the best sa bagong chapter ng buhay mo.
More adventure, more memories, at syempre more happiness. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad at lagi kang maging inspirasyon sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, CK! God bless sa iyong birthday celebration and may the Lord give you love, joy, peace, always. Yan. Always obey your parents then. And God bless. Happy birthday!
Hi CK, happy 18th birthday. I hope this new chapter brings you everything that you wish for. Remember, always dream big.
Happy 18th birthday, CK, from your Tita Malet. On this special day of yours, I wish you all the love, happiness, and blessings that you deserve. I am very happy for all the things that you are experiencing right now. And I take pride in saying that I am very proud of you, that finally you are on this road to fulfilling all your dreams. Alam po yan ng nanay mo, of course, si Miss Tintin, how happy and proud I am sa lahat sa inyo na magkakapatid. And I'm glad na almost every time, lahat ng milestones ninyong magkakapatid ay alam ko po kasi nasi-share ng inyong mommy sa akin. For that, I am very grateful to be part of your family. Natutuwa ako kasi nakikita ko lahat ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal ng inyong mommy sa inyo. And the only way for all of you, lahat kayo na magkakapatid, especially you, CK, is to be able to make a good name for yourself as well. Alam ko, malapit ka na sa pagtupad ng iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. And we're just very happy to tell you that we are in full support sa lahat ng mga pangarap at adhikain mo. Again, my warm greetings on your 18th birthday. More to come. Enjoy your special day and God bless you always. Remember that you are loved. Mahal na mahal ka po namin and may you find your birthday be very memorable. Especially ngayon na ikaw ay 18 years old na. God bless you always. God bless your family and enjoy your special day.
Hi, CK! Happy 18th birthday, anak. I hope you're having the best day. Being 18 makes everything legal, so meaning it's the start of being an adult. The world might be challenging, but always remember you have the best people around you. And I might not be the first person that you can think of whenever you need anyone or anything, but I just would like to let you know that you have me. I am just one chat away. We can have conversations between us two. I wish you happiness and I know you'll achieve bigger than your goals and dreams. Keep slaying, anak. I love you. Yung gift ko sa'yo na i-gcash ko na kay mami, please let me know if hindi niya binigay. Charos! Happy 18th birthday and take care.